Alrighty, next up we're going to try a gold standard from Nathan. What's up, man? I'm going to do, actually you just said you want to try the middle box right out of this whole thing, so showcase. Bing, 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 bing. Alright. Let me just... And the middle one's there, so set that back there. Turn them. We got box 51, 62, 86, and 26. Put these four there. Put that over there. And you got box 37. We're off. Slip and slide. We have Jim Brown, Peyton Hillis, Jimmy Smith, Dick Buckus, Virgil Green, Jamal Charles, Torrey Smith, numbered to 299 jersey, Tony Romo. Troy Aikman. 299, DeLon Carter. Numbered to 525, nice patch on that one, Shane Vereen. Shane Vereen, and Brandon Harris, Greg McElroy, rookies, $4.99 a piece. So that will do, sir. Nathan, appreciate it, bro. I'll get on the way. See ya.